Mankrao Kharkongor of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, and Gaurav Bharali of St. Edmund'S Higher Secondary School shared the top position out of 10 in order of merit. The overall pass percentage in the Hsslc examination was registered at 79.76%. 21,833 of 27,374 students from 251 schools who appeared the Hsslc exams held in 105 centers were declared successful. In the Hsslc examination, East and West Khasi Hills district recorded the highest pass percentage at 92.32%, while South Garu Hills in the lowest with only 56.30%.
The school, whatever challenges, obstacles that I have, I always go to them and they always help and motivate me. So I find them, we live in this competitive world. So my advice is that you must be determined to achieve your goal.
I feel very overwhelmed. Yesterday, everyone was texting me that you'll get it. So I just got really nervous. So I cried also. But now I made it, so I'm happy. I didn't prepare like 5-6 hours. Of course I did. I put in a lot of work, but I took everything seriously, even for the smallest test, even if it's for 5 marks or oral. I just took it seriously because I don't want to keep it to the end moment. That's what I did. That was my strategy, and I.
Nongstoin Public Secondary